Good morning, students. English time. Today we take up chapter 8 of your book Honeysuckle, A Game of Chance. And before we start the chapter, I would like to ask you one thing. Tell me frankly, have you ever won anything in a lucky dip or in some other game, that is by luck or a game of chance? Ever? Okay, let me tell you about my childhood. When I was in class 6, I don't exactly remember whether it was class 6 or 7. I went to a village fair which used to be near my village. I tried my luck, but I could not win. Okay, I was not that lucky. If you have won, it's really good. Well, we start the chapter now. See, every year on the occasion of Eid, there was a fair in the author's village, and Eid was celebrated only for one day, but the fair lasted for many days. Tradesmen from far and wide came there with all kinds of goods. You could buy anything from a small pin to a big buffalo. Uncle took me to the fair. Bhaiya, who worked for us at home, came with us. There was a big crowd at the fair. Uncle was leading us through the crowd when he met a few of his friends. They wanted him to spend some time with them. Uncle asked me whether I would like to look around the fair with Bhaiya till he came back. I was happy to do that. Uncle warned me neither to buy anything nor to go too far out while he was away. I promised that I would wait for him. तो इस तरह से अंकल मिल जाते हैं अपने कुछ दोस्तों से, और अंकल बच्चों को वहाँ छोड़ करके पहले उनसे पूछ लेते हैं ऑथर को कि भैया के साथ आप कुछ देर तक रह सकते हो क्या, जब तक वो वापस आए। और लेकिन अंकल ने एक बात बता दी थी कि जब तक वो वापस ना आए ज़्यादा दूर नहीं जाना और वहीं पर रहना है। Bhaiya and I went from shop to shop. There were many things I would have liked to buy, but I waited for uncle to return. Then we came to what was called the lucky shop. The shopkeeper was neither young nor old. He was a middle aged man. He seemed neither too smart nor too lazy. He wanted everybody to try their luck. There were discs on the table with numbers from 1 to 10 facing down. All you had to do was to pay 50 paise, pick up any 6 discs, add up the numbers on the discs, and find the total. The article marked with that number was yours. देखिए, भैया और ऑथर दुकानों पे थोड़ा घूमते हैं और फिर एक ऐसी दुकान पे पहुंचते हैं जिसका नाम था लक्की शॉप। और उस लक्की शॉप का जो ओनर था ना ज़्यादा बुजुर्ग ना ज़्यादा यंग था, लेकिन वो ज़्यादा स्मार्ट भी नहीं लग रहा था, ज़्यादा लेजी भी नहीं लग रहा था। उसने कुछ डिस्क वहाँ टेबल पे रख रखे थे जिनके 1 to 10 नंबर दे रखे थे, और करना क्या था, बस 50 पैसे दो और पिकअप एनी डिस्क, एनी 6 डिस्क, राइट। or add up the numbers on the discs and find the total. The article marked with that number was yours, right? An old man paid 50 paise and selected 6 discs. He added up the numbers on them, found the total was 15. He was given the article marked 15, which was a beautiful clock. But the old man did not want a clock. The shopkeeper obliged him by buying it back for rupees 15. The old man went away very pleased. Then a boy, a little older than I, tried his luck. He got a comb worth rupees 25 paise. The shopkeeper looked neither happy nor sad. He bought the comb from the boy for 25 paise. The boy tried his luck again. He now got a fountain pen worth 3 rupees. Then he tried a third time, got a wristwatch worth rupees 25. Then he tried again. He got a table lamp worth more than 10 rupees. The boy was happy and went away with a smile and a good deal of cash. तो हमने देखा कि पहले एक ओल्ड मैन आते हैं, वो 6 डिस्क सिलेक्ट करते हैं 50 पैसा दे करके, और टोटल जब किया तो 15 और 15 रुपीज़ का एक सुंदर सा क्लॉक उनको मिल जाता है, लेकिन वो ले जाना नहीं चाहते, तो ही गिव्स इट बैक एंड टेक्स 15 रुपीज़ इन कैश. और फिर एक लड़का आता है, ही ट्राइड हिज लक, गॉट अ कॉम्ब फॉर रुपीज़ 25 पैसे. फिर शॉपकीपर ज़्यादा खुश नहीं ज़्यादा नाराज़ था, तो उसने 25 पैसे दे दिए. लड़के ने फिर से ट्राई किया, ही गॉट अ फाउंटेन पेन दिस टाइम, और थर्ड टाइम ट्राई किया और फिर मिल गया उसको रिस्ट वॉच 25 रुपीज़ की. ही ट्राइड अगेन और फिर टेबल लैंप मिला 10 रुपीज़ का. तो इस तरह से लड़के को बहुत सारे आर्टिकल्स मिले, काफ़ी कैश मिला और खुश होके गया. क्या ऑथर ने भी कुछ जीता, ये जानेंगे हम अगले वीडियो में. आप तब तक पूरा लेसन पढ़िए, खुद पता कीजिए, कुड ऑथर विन एनीथिंग. ओके, see you soon in the next video. Thanks for joining.